I decided to study nursing because I knew it had such a broad range of career options. My studies at Sturt, I think, helped me approach my job as a nurse with a better understanding for rural and regional nursing. A lot of our subjects were focused on Indigenous health, which is a very essential part of nursing practice here in Dubbo.
My passion comes from being an Indigenous person, and with all the advances in modern medicine, you still see these massive health discrepancies between Indigenous and non-Indigenous people, and it doesn't matter what role I play in that, I think I'd still like to be a part of closing the gap.
What was great about Sturt Uni in Dubbo was the smaller class sizes really allowed for us to get one-on-one support with the lecturers.
The teachings, they made it very relevant to how we would be working when we come onto the floor. And now everything that I've learnt from them, I've been able to apply it to my job. Got every scholarship that I applied for. There's a lot of support there for Indigenous students.
We also focused a lot on patient-centred care and advocating for patient health, which I think made me approach my job as a more compassionate nurse.
We just need to be really holistic about our care. When you have these little moments with patients after you've built these connections with them, and then you do feel like you're making a difference.
So I think one of the other benefits from studying through Sturt is that I was actually guaranteed a job position before I even graduated. So having that job security already there in place just made my transition into the workforce so much easier.
You can work in a rural hospital but still get that big hospital feel. I did do a lot of workplace experiences away from home up in the city, and it was, as great as it was, it would be really hard for me to move away and work somewhere else. Dubbo is an amazing place. We have the base hospital, but Dubbo is also a base within itself for all the surrounding townspeople. There's a lot of togetherness and you just get that sense of home when you're in Dubbo.
Sturt gave me the confidence that I can go into the health force and be able to look after patients and improve their lives. I'm most proud of the fact that I'm able to make a difference in people's lives, and I'm able to do that every day.